In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an invoice from Booking.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, who to contact, and what to provide so you can get a proper document for reimbursement or tax purposes. First, it's important to understand who actually issues the invoice. In most cases, Booking.com acts as an intermediary for accommodation reservations. That means the official tax invoice usually comes from the property you stayed at, not from Booking.com itself. Hotels, guest houses, and other accommodation providers are typically responsible for creating and issuing invoices because they are the ones providing the service. If you need an invoice before or after your stay, reach out directly to the property. A short, clear message via email or a quick call usually works best. Let them know you need a tax invoice and provide the exact details they'll need to include, such as your full name, company name if applicable, your tax or VAT number, and your billing address. If you're traveling for work, consider asking for the invoice at check-in or during checkout so it's ready promptly. Keep in mind that some smaller properties won't issue an invoice unless you explicitly request it, so don't be shy about asking. While Booking.com generally doesn't issue tax invoices for accommodations, you can still download a receipt or proof of payment from your account. Log into Booking.com, go to your bookings or trips section, and open the reservation details. In many cases, you'll see an option to download a receipt or payment confirmation. This can be helpful as supporting documentation, but it's not always a full tax invoice. If you need the document for accounting or a tax reclaim, double-check whether a formal invoice from the property is required in your country or by your company. If you still haven't received an invoice, start by contacting the property again and confirm they have all the details they need. Ask for the invoice to be issued in the exact name and format your finance team requires. If the property is unresponsive or says they can't issue one, reach out to Booking.com customer support for help. They can usually contact the property on your behalf and try to facilitate, though they typically can't compel a property to create an invoice. When you contact support, have your booking details and any receipts handy so they can quickly locate your reservation. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll have the right paperwork for your stay without the back and forth.